are talking about quadratic equation. The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is the coefficient of A is the constant term. A, B, C are constant. A, B, C are constant, and the coefficient of x square is A, coefficient of x is B, and C is nothing but constant term. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0, where A is nothing but 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. So this is a quadratic equation. Now we have very important problem based on quadratic equation, that is solve quadratic equation by formula method. By using formula method, very important. Formula is nothing but x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula to find out the roots of the quadratic equation, where a, b and c are the coefficient of x square, x and constant. Now we will take one example. Example 1. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We have to find out the roots of quadratic equation. So according to standard form, we will compare this equation with the standard equation. Standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now comparing the coefficient of x square, we have a is equal to 1. If nothing is there, we will consider it is as 1. So b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 10. After writing ABC, we will write down the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. First step is we are writing ABC. Second step is writing formula. Third is substitution. X is equal to minus of minus 3. In the place of b, I am writing minus 3 plus or minus b square is nothing but minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is nothing but 1, c is nothing but minus 10 divided by 2 into a is nothing but 1. So x is equal to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus root of. So what is the minus 3 whole square? Is nothing but plus 9. So 9 minus into minus plus 4 1s are 4, 4 into 10, 40 divided by 2 1s are 2. After substitution, after simplification, we will move on to x is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 40 plus 9 is nothing but 49 divided by 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus root 49. What is the value of root 49? 7. 7 divided by 2. So we have plus or minus there. So we will take plus sign one time. We will consider plus one time, or we will take minus one time. So x is equal to 3 plus 7, 10 divided by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus 7. You should be careful here, you have a bigger sign, 7 sign is minus, so we will take minus 4 divided by 2. So this will become x is equal to 5, here I will get x is equal to minus 2. So this is the way, and this is the method to find out the roots of the quadratic equation by using standard formula. I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.